Black diamonds, also known as carbonado, are among the rarest and most mysterious gemstones on Earth. Unlike traditional clear diamonds, black diamonds have a unique structure filled with tiny inclusions of graphite, carbon, and other minerals. Their opaque appearance, intense color, and incredible hardness make them special, but also difficult to test at home. If you own a rough black diamond or a polished carbonado and want to know if it might be genuine, here are 4 simple, safe, and effective tests you can do at home. While these tests do not replace a professional gemological evaluation, they can help you confidently identify real carbonado from fakes. Number 1. The scratch test, hardness test. Real black diamonds are one of the hardest materials on Earth, rating 10 on the Mohs scale. Their extreme hardness means they can scratch almost any material, including glass, quartz, and most gemstones. How to test. 1. Find a piece of glass or a quartz crystal. 2. Hold the black stone firmly. 3. Gently scratch the surface of the glass with the stone. 4. Inspect the glass. If a deep, clean scratch appears, the stone may be a real black diamond. If it does not scratch the glass, the stone is most likely fake. Important tips. A real carbonado will not get scratched by the glass. Be gentle. You only need slight pressure. Many fake black stones, obsidian, tourmaline, spinel, cannot scratch glass. Number 2. The light test, opacity behavior. Black diamonds are completely opaque, meaning no light passes through them, even at the edges. Other gemstones that look similar usually show some translucency. How to test. 1. Take your stone to a bright light source. 2. Try to shine a strong flashlight from behind. 3. Observe real black diamond. 0 light passes through, even at the thinnest edges. Fake stones, you'll often see brown, grey, or red translucency. Why this works. Carbonado is full of microscopic inclusions that block all light, making it always opaque, a feature not shared by most black-coloured stones. 3. The weight and density test. Black diamonds have a high density due to their carbon-packed structure. They typically feel heavier than fake stones of the same size. How to test. 1. Hold the stone in your hand. 2. Compare its weight with a similar sized stone like black spinel or cubic zirconia. 3. Real carbonado usually feels heavier and more compact, denser when dropped gently on a table. Sound clue. Real carbonado produces a sharp, metallic-like click when tapped against another diamond or sapphire. Fake stones produce a dull, plastic-like sound. Number 4. The thermal conductivity test, fog test. Diamonds, including black diamonds, disperse heat extremely fast. This test checks how the stone reacts to breath moisture. How to test. 1. Hold the stone between your fingers. 2. Breathe on it as if you are fogging a mirror. 3. Watch how fast the fog disappears. Results. Real black diamond, fog disappears instantly, less than 1 second. Fake stones, fog stays for 2 to 5 seconds before clearing. Why it works. Diamonds have the highest thermal conductivity among gemstones, meaning they do not hold heat. Fake stones do. Bonus tips for identifying real carbonado. Surface texture. Black diamonds often have a porous, pitted, or grainy texture, unlike the smooth surface of polished gemstones. Color consistency. Real carbonado has a natural deep charcoal black color, not shiny jet black like glass or onyx. Magnet test optional. Some carbonados have tiny metallic inclusions. A very weak magnetic response may be normal. Strong magnetic pull, probably fake or treated. Final advice. These 4 home tests, hardness, light opacity, weight density, and thermal conductivity, give you strong clues about whether your black stone is a real carbonado diamond. However, for 100% confirmation, you should consult a professional gemologist who can perform Raman spectroscopy, diamond tester probe, high magnification inclusion analysis. A genuine black diamond is rare and valuable, so testing it properly is always worth the effort.